It's looking clean, it's looking clean. Well done, George. Whoops. So we have got a classic in the yard, a 7710, haven't we, Dan?
Yeah, we have indeed.
What do you have to say about it? I don't really know much about these older ones.
No, these older ones, they were great tractors.
You need to talk up.
Oh, do I? Oh,
Yeah.
they're great tractors. Fabulous tractors. They were the, obviously the second generation of the 7000 series, which tech centre cab, full power shift, real classic.
Sounds nice, I bet.
Sounds lovely.
Shall we look inside?
Go for it.
I can get up. Okay. Oh. Come on, are you coming? Oh. I think you can just step. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's interesting. So, this is where all the controls are. We've obviously got our temperature, fans, air. This is the gears, forward, up to 19. The revs. Where's the PTO? Oh, the PTO is still on the button. Oh, and here.
That's the speeds.
Yeah. Arms.
So lots very
Full
similar.
valves. It's a bit like the 44, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's
If you
this?
open that little window when you start it, you'll be able to hear it.
You're going to start it. Where's the key? Didn't need the clutch down for this.
No.
Oh! Still starts straight away.
Oh, look at that, black smoke. That's something you don't see in modern tractors.
Very nice. Okay, we're going to go for the big drive. Right, ready? Oh!
Bit of rev.
Come on, hun. It's a bit stiff, that is. Crikey. It's meant to be that stiff. Okay, window wipers. Oh, sounds nice. Oh, hello. I still think these are, I mean, I do like the sound of this, but I still think they're slightly nicer. I do like the 250 actually. What's this, the hours on the clock? So,
No, that's just a clock.
oh, it's just a clock. That's alright, isn't it? It's got quite a big cab actually, compared, like, space.
Considering the one before this was a 4955.
Where was it?
Well, that was a big one version of this, but 4455. You can imagine what an advancement it is having this.
So yeah, it was quite quiet really. It's all pretty much the same, even the pickup thing.
Yeah.
Hey. Wrist wipers. Whoa. You're at that.
Okay, look that. Go for it, go on with this. Into the bottom. Give it another gear.
Way up. Check the ride on the way. Well, what's happened there? I wonder what my drilling is going to be like over there.
Dodgy.
So I am back home, and this evening I have the Andrew Meredith talk for the IAGRM. So I'm really looking forward to that, looking forward to meeting Andrew. Got new tractor in the yard. I just thought I'd pop down quickly and let's have a look what's going on. So we've got the power washing going on by George. We've got whole tyres off tractors. We've got trailer up in air because we're fixing fixing the articulated trailers ready for harvest. So we've got all of them to do. I'm gonna go and help them now because I just got back and see what they're doing. It's quite interesting.
So I'm afraid to say Eleanor, unusually, I think this is the first time ever, is actually really poorly, and she has hit the diff literally in a different way this week. So I'm left to do her Ellie's Welly, and we've got a mention for Lucy Gilbert, happy 18th birthday to you. And Henry Blain is going to be visiting the IAGRM, the meeting on Monday the 24th of April, and he's head of livestock for Sainsburys, so it's hot topic at the moment for the Farmers Weekly. If you're interested in livestock farming, then head over to the IAGRM website Thames Valley branch and get yourself along there, and get well soon, Eleanor. We need you back on the farm.
How sad, the tractor is going home. It's having a big wash off with its wheels so we can get all inside of it. My gosh, it's looking clean, it's looking clean. Well done, George. But oh, look at that. There's a tyre, it's nearly as big as me. Basically, we've taken the tyre off. I've also been to get Dan some bread for his lunch to clean inside, because this gets so muddy. You wouldn't even believe how muddy it gets, straw, everything. And we've already washed it for one whole day, and this is the second day, and it's now 12 o'clock, so oh my gosh, it does take a while. But look, it is looking clean. So physically, Dan and I were saying it's not much different to the 6210. Oh god, don't break it. But no, it's quite nice to drive actually. We've shut this door and it sounds nice, as you've just heard, and it's really similar to the 49, isn't it? Or 44 I mean 55. But yeah, nice tractor. It's even got a red fuel cap. Is it meant to have that, or is that just a
Just how they were.
Oh. So we got the lights which is on the back of the trailer, that trailer, and then we're going to rewire it so it actually goes up on the trailer. So we're taking it off so we can put it back on higher up so we don't have any issues. So what they're doing with the trailer is, I've just walked in and just seen what they're doing, only because I'm just here for like an hour or so. So I just popped in and they are taking the back off the trailer, because we've made this is a curtain cider, so this was like an Audi trailer. I mean, because it had a lifter on, so you know that people can take lifters off, you can lift like veg or whatever you have on the back of the trolley up and down. So we've taken that off, and because the lights were attached to that, we've kind of had to cut the light bar off, and we're going to have to re-weld it onto the trailer because we can't go off without lights, because that would just be totally illegal. So that's what they're doing in there. I've just popped in to say hi and I'm leaving again now, so that's what they're doing. It's just welding, maintenance. I quite like that stuff. And as you can see over there, we'll go and have a look quickly. George is washing the A370 because that is going back, so we've had to take all the tyres off. Tyres are massive. Let's go over and see just how big they are when they're on the ground. We have a special tyre remover thing because they're really heavy, and one of these will just kill you. So this is it on the ground. So I'm actually still smaller than the tyre. So he's getting in all the like little cracks. Oh, it's a nightmare trying to wash one of these. You think you've got it all clean, and then it dries, and then you go, oh, bum, we've still got a little bit there, or a little bit there, a little bit there. You can never get it like fully clean. So this is our tyre thingy. I don't even know what it's called. So it kind of grabs the tyre and holds it so it's safe, so it doesn't fall on you. But if you go around the back, it's kind of got like a back brace. So this is the back end of the tractor. So we've got the hydraulics, pickup hitch. We've got it on a block so it doesn't fall over. Air brakes, there, lights, powers, top link. So this, you'll see, is colour coordinated. If you go into the cab, you have colour coordinated things so you know what is in the what pipe is in the back of the tractor. So it's starting to look clean, so well done, George. Jamie, you'll be happy. So this is what you have to do when you send a tractor back, sell it, you know, because you can't be sending it back dirty, can you really? Otherwise, if they charge you to clean it, but better if we can just clean it ourselves. We've done a good job. It's looking quite good. We've got 7710 over there, 6210, 6210, and we've got a 6250 over there. So, and all our grain traders are lined up ready for harvest. So we're just really doing this to get ready for harvest. So the whole thing, as I said a few weeks ago, builds up to harvest.